Good evening, I'm Liyana Hassanel. Welcome to Bizworld. The Finance Ministry, MOF, is expected to resolve the issues of rejected e-Madani e-wallet credit applications. Deputy Finance Minister Lim Hui Ying said while many individuals have successfully received their 100 ringgit credit, many eligible applicants also had their requests turned down. It was reported that the Finance Ministry had received over 7 million applications for the e-Madani credit as of November 4th. The government initiative aims to disburse 100 ringgit in e-credit to 10 million Malaysians aged 21 and above, with an income below 100,000 ringgit per annum. The Malaysian economy is projected to pick up slightly to 4.3% next year, supported by resilient private consumption and investment, and a rebound in public spending. The International Monetary Fund team leader, Lamin Lee, said Malaysia has weathered external headwinds well and is projected to grow at 4% this year. He added private consumption remained the main driver of growth throughout the year, supported by a healthy labour market. Meanwhile, exports to major trading partners weakened due to subdued external demand and the economic slowdown in China. In the meantime, core inflation have been moderating more gradually, while headline inflation is projected at 2.9% this year, as inflation expectations remained well anchored. Given the clear guidance from the Federal Open Market Committee this week, the market is expected to continue to fall back on the rate cut thesis for the near-term trading strategy. Bank Muamalat Malaysia Chief Economist Muhammad Afzal Abdul Rashid said that there could be attempt for the ringgit-US dollar pair to break its immediate support level of 4.66 today.
So in the immediate terms, we foresee that the ringgit would actually hovering around 4 ringgit and 65 cents to 4 ringgit and 68 cents. And we shall see that the ringgit will make an attempt to break the immediate support level of 4 ringgit and 66 cents.
He added the 10-year note was below the 4% level, while the major equities benchmark were all in the green. Emerging market currencies are likely to be positive, including the ringgit in the immediate term. Meanwhile, the ringgit opened marginally lower today despite a falling US dollar index, as market expectation for an interest rate cut in 2024 supersedes statistical releases. Oil prices rose 3%, extending the previous session's gains, boosted by a weaker dollar and as the International Energy Agency lifted its oil demand forecast for next year. Brent futures settled 3.2% higher at more than $76 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude climbed 3% to more than $71. During Wednesday's session, the market has also turned around after dropping to hit lowest in nearly 6 months. According to analysts, the mood for oil has changed dramatically, with one of the major catalysts for shaking the volatility out of the market being the Federal Reserve. China's economic growth rose to 1.3% in the third quarter, compared to 0.5% in the previous quarter. According to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development's provisional estimates, China, the United States and Mexico were the only 3 countries among the G20 to achieve positive growth. The organization added that growth has weakened in the remaining G20 countries, particularly in Saudi Arabia and Turkey, due to a strong decrease in oil activities and private consumption. The G20 countries represent around 85% of global GDP, with over 75% of global trade and around 2/3 of the world's population. And that's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Liyana Hassanel. Thank you for investing your time with us.